cowboy. Chicken cowboy. With boots.
Peyton's showing off
It's the
his
chicken
Texas.
cowboy. We should send this there and just like, chicken cowboy.
They're like, we are so Texan.
cowboy.
We have to send you over.
Chicken
It's
cowboy.
Texan ornament.
We must send you the chicken cowboy. I wonder if they were just like, a chicken cowboy.
That's
This would be
Texan.
perfect for the Doyles.
That's Texan.
Yeah. Yes. Ooh, I need to brush my hair. Oh, yes, that's it. Ooh. It works.
Sean, you're responsible for putting ornaments at the top of the tree.
No, Daddy.
I just told him that the taller people.
I had it open. Did you see it? Sean, I made your chest.
Is it alright if I move one of these?
Sure.
Because there's still
I think the
three
last
right
time I played
here
chess was
together.
against Nick.
Oh.
We didn't get to finish our game because then we got bored and played D&D instead or something. Like Nick and Spencer showed up. Or Spencer and Alex showed up or something.
Nick probably was just kind of, I foresee your goals!
He was like,
And then you're just like, Nick, I don't want to play with
There
you.
you go.
Sean, you did a very nice job on the staircase.
Thank you.
The railing.
You did do a good job.
What?
He did do a good job.
Considering that I was phoning it.
Yeah. Sean, look at my awesome.
Did you ever find the things that the cards go on?
Yeah, the cards are hanging up there.
I know, but you'll have more cards. Did you find more of those things? You'll have a lot more cards.
My camera wasn't focusing and you can't see their faces at all. I can't see anybody's faces. But still, I knew it was kind of cool.